friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a review on Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. So this claims that it visibly reduces the wrinkles and fine lines for a firmer looking skin. This is how the packaging looks. So how it is different, it does more than a classic anti-wrinkle cream. Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream has been designed to reduce wrinkles and put spring and vitality back to your skin, making it look firmer. So it is effective in just 28 days. Reduction of crow's feet wrinkles 23%, reduction of forehead wrinkles 31%, reduction of under eye wrinkles 18%. This is what the product claims. So you can read in the package itself. It comes in an 18-gram tub with a price of 150 rupees. So this is a product of L'Oreal India Private Limited. As you all know, Garnier is a subdivision or subsidiary of L'Oreal. It has ingredients as shown below. The main ingredient I noted is that retinol palmitate, which is a derived form of retinol, which is vitamin A, and it also has ginger root extract, which is very powerful herb for skin, hair, and all kinds of health issues. Ginger can be used. So ginger is also very well proved in case of inflammation in the body or skin. It also has salicylic acid, which is effective in reducing acne or acne causing bacteria. But it also contains parabens and also has oils like argan oil, soybean oil, etc. So it has a lot of good ingredients. At this price range, this much of ingredients are expected. It also has alcohol, which many people don't want to use on their skin. But if you are skeptical on that, you can avoid this product, or else you can just try. So this is how the packaging looks. The tub looks. It has a red color tub with a white color lid. Like the other cream of Garnier, it has a yellow color tub. This one has a red color. This is how the cream looks inside. It is really oily. It doesn't have any runny texture. It is not at all runny, but it is definitely oily. And any oily skin people want to use it, then use it on a very tiny amount. Don't use it much, because when I used this, it made my face so much greasy and so much oily. But best thing is that it didn't break me out. So coming to my experience about the product, it definitely gave a glow and smooth texture for my skin. I don't have visible wrinkles now, but I have a little fine lines here and there, and I could see this after applying this cream. It gives a little bit tiny tightening effect on my skin. It's not too tight, but a very light tightening sensation, which is a good effect of this cream. And also I noted that it evens out the skin tone. But the only cons I noted is that it makes lot of oiliness on my face. So I think this is best suited for dry skin people.